Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your pictures on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the create button and select a picture. Then tap on the filter button down below, which is the second option, and as you slide to the right side of the screen you can see that you have many preset filters that you can choose from. After selecting the relevant one, you can adjust it by the help of this slide that you can find in the middle of the screen. As you can see how it changes. As you tap on the glitch button, you can choose from these glitched filters too, and you have the chance to adjust it. After applying the filter and adjusting it, click on the checkmark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.